Alright, so we're here at Stephanie Fonseca's house again. I changed this shingle right here. I brought a square too so we can see if I lift up the shingle 45 degrees higher, as the adjuster I've been speaking with has mentioned that I've done. So we're gonna do it like this. Let me grab that one over there too, just in case. So here's the one we're gonna change, guys. This one right here. So to do that, first I gotta break the seal on some of these. Let's find out where it goes to. So 1, 2, it's probably gonna go up here. This seal is already broken. Yep, it's right here. So here's where it ends. And again, when I lift them, I'm gonna go ahead and use this because here's 45 degrees in the middle. And so you can see that we're probably not even gonna lift them to maybe 20, 25 degrees there. Is where these are gonna get lifted too. Okay, so the first thing I gotta do to get this one is get in here, break the seal on these that are on top. Now, this one here is, we got one, 2, 3 nails, okay? I want me to use proper technique, so I'm gonna use proper technique here. Alright, so first of all, this nail is gonna come out. And as you can see, I'm not even lifting it. That right there is probably about 10, top 15 degrees. We'll get a close up here in a moment. Okay, so there's that one. Here's the nail. Should have another nail over here. Here's another nail. Okay. Again, not lifting it more than 15, tops 20 degrees there. Okay. Here's that. Using proper technique here. So we got 1, 2, 3 nails. There's a couple on this side too. All right, now there's some nails up here that are on this shingle that are holding this guy down. So for that, I need to actually get those nails as well. Okay, now here we are, and not lifting this at all, more than 10 degrees or so. Breaking the seal on this one too. Okay. And again, the reason we're doing this is because this shingle is holding the top of that shingle down. There's that now. Whew, it's hot up here. It's not. Make sure you're like shading the phone too, Diego, so we don't lose.
Oh, okay.
Like if you have to stand up a little, that's fine, bro. As you can see, we're not.
No, yeah, I see what I'm trying for mine.
Okay, so here we are. So this one, where else is this holding from? Like we're not lifting this at all. Okay, so this here is holding it too. Man, these things are hot. Hot. Okay, look, took the nails off the top, took the nails off this bottom. See how that slides off. At any point in time, I did not lift it any more than 10, 15 degrees, 20 degrees tops. As I mentioned, anything over 45 degrees is improper, and it can then increase the shingles. Right now, we're not even getting to 20 degrees in lifting this. Okay, so now this guy, just gonna go right in there. A little higher on this side. Okay, here we are. It's there with the other shingle. We are there. So there's that shingle. Now we just need to make sure it is, and look, how many degrees is that? Here's where it starts. 10, 15, 20 degrees. Not bending it, holding this side down so it doesn't bend. Right? We're not even lifting it 10, 15 degrees, honestly. Okay, so here we are. Just get some nails here. Now just kind of look around there, so you can see all the ones that are damaged. There's a lot of these damaged, so, and then bring it back over here, because now we're gonna nail this thing. So first thing I'm gonna nail is the top line here, which again, look how I'm lifting this so I don't bend it, right? We're gonna nail those first. But it'll be a little tricky since this, so right here, as I'm lifting this, grab the back up here, I'm holding it down there so it doesn't lift. And look at this, we're going what? 15, 20 degrees there, 45 is up here. Is the number showing that side? Yeah. See the 45 up here? That's, I'm not lifting it high at all. Just need to get into, put this nail, and even right there, it's still not 45 degrees, okay? 45 degrees would be up here. So there's that. Coming on this side now. We cannot use the same hole.